Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, Corporate Chef for United Family of Stores. Today I'm going to go over some ideas to save time and money when preparing your holiday meal. We offer a wide variety of canned vegetables, which is a great way to save time and money. We have our own brands, Signature, Select, and we even have organics, our O Organics brand, like this corn and this French style green bean. We also carry a variety of jarred gravies. It's great. Just heat it up, add some fresh herbs, and you have a great gravy for your turkey or your dressing. Speaking of turkey and dressing, we also have some quick, inexpensive solutions for that. For bread stuffing, we have a turkey flavored bread. All you do is add the water to it. It's got the seasoning and all. For cornbread mix, we have cornbread with seasoning all ready to go. All you do is add water. We also offer pre-cooked cornbread. If you don't want to buy all the ingredients to make the cornbread, simply buy it from our bakery. You can also pick up one of our inexpensive French baguettes and freeze it and use it later for a stuffing. We also offer a wide variety of potato products like this instant mashed potato and these potatoes au gratin that will go great for your holiday meal. In the freezer section, we also carry a wide variety of mixed vegetables like this tri-colored sliced carrot, colored cauliflower, and seasoned Brussels sprouts. For more ideas about saving time and money, check out our website